Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable mail notifications on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, go into settings, and in settings, you want to go down and tap on notifications. Then go down and tap on mail, and at the top here, tap on the allowed notifications switch to turn it on or turn it off. Now this is a global setting, so that means if you switch it off, all of your mail accounts will be switched off. Now you can also go down and customize the notification for each of your mail account. So you can go into Gmail and turn off notification for Gmail, but then your other accounts still be able to receive notifications. So you can either customize it at a global level or at an individual account level. And that's it. Finally, you can go back by tapping on the back here at the top here, or you can go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.